Good morning, all. Today is March 2nd. Time is around 11:09. Market is really bearish. I have not entered into any trade as of now. I was just waiting for it. I can see an aggression by the bears on the downside. I'm just looking for a short entry. Current anytime now, I may enter. I'm trying to get my entry right. I'm just looking at the option candle. Currently, I'm looking at the 24,900 put option of next week. I'm skipping the current week expiry. Today is expiry actually because tomorrow is NSA holiday. Since the war news and stuffs are there, I just and the expiry on top of it. So I just don't want to use this expiry option. So just trying to use the other and upcoming weeks options. It's a bit expensive, but it's okay. Let's see. I'm trying to make two legged entries. Let me. I'll wait. Mm, Market can go down really. I mean, it's looking really bullish. So I'm in now. I'm just trying to add my second leg as well. Yeah, both are in. Okay, fine. Quickly, let me add my SL. This is, fine. Okay, let me add the targets as well. For nine. Okay, so the targets and the stop losses now are in system. It it can come down. Looks like they are trying to push the market a little bit down. Market, as I told, the market gapped down, but unfortunately, I was not able to find my entries. All those candles were like bigger ones. I usually don't try to trade off those bigger candles because most of the aggressions would have happened on the same candle. So and the stop losses will be more mostly. So now, yeah, after 11, usually I don't take it, but since there is the war news and stuff, right? So I thought like, yeah, maybe I'll wait till 11:15 or 11:30. So here, yeah, finally I got that entry around 11:11. Yeah, it's hovering around the entry price. Uh, and let's see how that goes. So I think I got a entry around 259.17. It's still around it. Um, the only problem would be like those candles whenever they make the move might be a little violent. That's one other reason why I use the upcoming week's expiry because here the it will be slightly controlled uh, because otherwise the news driven days it goes crazy. It can turn violently against you. Also it can go violently along with you, so you have to be ready on both side. So let us now wait. Anyway, this will be the only one trade because even if it is a stop loss or a target, I will close it for the day. Usually, as per my system, I try to take two trades max in a day, irrespective of the result. So that's aligning with my risk management. Also, I try not to risk more than 2%, 1 to 2% per trade. Max is 2%, so I'm comfortable risking between 1 to 2%. So if I'm risking say 1%, I'll aim for 2%. So in terms of money value, it will be like 5,000 as of now. I work with fixed risk per trade, so which means I use, a dynamic position sizing based on the option candle. It's difficult, random, I mean, on the go to calculate it. So what I did is I have coded it in TradingView. So I don't have to, use my calculates and math skills to, figure that out. So those values will be there, available for me. So I can just look at them and, quickly add it onto this one. And also for the execution, I use one click, and for order flow analysis, I use go charting. My broker is done. So it's a easy integration with this one click system. So yeah, okay, there's a push, small push. uh, if you look at the option, right, even the current week's expiry or the next week, the option is having some sort of decay because tomorrow is holiday. And if you look at the option values, they are quite high. So the premium sometimes, won't move as expected along with the futures. So that's one challenge. So anyway, the profits, the target and the SL is in the system. So whatever it comes, whatever it throws, we have to accept it, right? That's out. Now, okay, went back to 400 and back to 2000, 1000. Now back. See the fluctuations. These are the, event driven days. Quite in the morning hours, it was, really kind of violent movements either sides. And it's quite obvious that people will try to short today, and obviously the market won't let you take that easy money, as people say. It's a trading is the toughest, job to make the easy money, and you will not get it that easily. Stop losses has to be compromised. I mean, if that's where the risk management, comes into real play. Actually, you will have to actually, understand the importance of risk management, random position sizing, those things has to be controlled. That's the only one thing. Okay, now there is, it could actually give a slight push down. Now it's trying 163 odd levels. Option prices now, sorry, 263, so 262 okay, 264. My target is 267, and now it's around 264. It's hovering around that level. It's trying to sustain, which is good. It can give a quick spike to the down. Actually, okay, went back. Okay, it's hovering there. It's not going uh, against me. I think. Let's wait anyway. Let's see. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. With when I only scalp, I'm not comfortable holding trades for so long. So I have some rules defined, or I don't hold it more than, like, 20-30 minutes max, because I trade in the 1 minute option candles for the execution analysis. I use the 5 minutes of futures chart. Sorry. Um, yeah. So let's wait, and let's see how that goes. Right. I got a call. Sorry, I was disturbed. Uh, 262, 262 again. It's trying to hold that level, trying to sustain that level. Let's see if it's gone. Okay, premiums are coming. Okay. 265. Come on, 64, 64. 262. Okay. Look at it. Future is coming down, but the option price is kind of, hovering in. Okay, now, right, for the scalping thing, that's what I'm trying to say. It's kind of, quick in, quick out system. So there is no hope. There is no expectations it will come back. Once your stop loss is hit, that's it. Once your SL is hit, Yeah, accept it. There is no greed or no fear, and you have to tolerate those floating targets as well, right? Okay, now it's trying to push 65. Okay, this candle is closed. Next candle. Let's. Okay. All right, fine. So, luckily, that's our target day today. And yeah, I there was little bit of extra amount some worked in my favor. You see those are the order books. I made the entry in 2 lakhs and one exit. The first one anyway, it was a rejected trade, so I split those orders in this way. All right, guys, so I'm stopping for the day. As I said, market is kind of looking bearish. It might even go down anyway, doesn't matter. Let's come back tomorrow, and happy trading. Bye. See you tomorrow.